In this lesson, you will create low-pressure secondary supply air systems. A Revit MEP system is the logical connection between system components, such as air terminals and mechanical equipment. This logical connection allows Revit MEP to perform various analyses, including energy analysis. You create air systems by placing air terminals and mechanical equipment. You then create logical connection between the system components. After creating the logical connection, you then create ductwork to physically connect the system components. This workflow is the Revit MEP recommended best practice for systems creation. In this lesson, you'll also use the system browser to validate systems. It's important to note here that unlike logical connections, physical connections like ductwork are not required for systems designing. However, they are necessary to perform calculations such as sizing that reference the physical geometry. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Mechanical Systems folder, open the file RME Mech Air Systems 03. Zoom in to the upper left of the building, and from the Analyze tab, click System Browser. Drag the System Browser to the bottom of the screen so that it displays horizontally below the floor plan. Then select the Supply Diffuser at the upper left of the space. Then, from the Create panel, click Supply. From the System Tools panel, click Edit System. Then, with the Add to System tool highlighted, select the 3 supply diffusers shown. Then, down in the System browser, expand Mechanical Supply Air, Mechanical Supply Air 1. Then, from the Edit Duct System panel, click System Properties. Review the number of elements, system name, and flow value, which is the sum of the flow values for the 4 different diffusers you added to the system. Click Cancel, and from the Edit Duct System panel, click Add to System and select the last supply diffuser in the space. Then, go back to System Properties and take note of the updated flow value. Click Cancel, and then click Select Equipment and select the heat pump located outside the space. When you do, notice that the organization of the mechanical folder in the System browser has now changed so that the heat pump is the parent, the air terminals are the children, and the system connects them. Next, we will rename the system to match the identifying data or mark of the equipment properties, which updates the name in the System browser. On the Edit Duct System panel, click Equipment Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Identity Data, for mark, highlight the value and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then click OK and click System Properties. Highlight the value for system name and press Ctrl+V to paste over the selection and click OK. Then, in the System browser, under Supply Air, expand WSHP, and WSHP 245 is now the name of the system. Click Finish Editing System. Then, close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.